I was referred to Dr. Conti from my primary care physician, and I'd always suffered from pretty severe varicose veins. Dr. Conti's office has been fantastic. They really facilitated my medical insurance, so there'd be medical coverage. I first had my right leg done, and then today I actually had my second leg, and it only took about 35 minutes. It was not bad at all. You can get up and move afterwards. I was able to get back to my normal activity the same day. Today I plan on getting back to it. If you have any problems with your varicose veins, you should really consider getting it done. I mean, I lived with the pain and uncomfortableness, and I wish I would have done it a long time ago. I looked around for a doctor in the Sacramento area, and he had been doing it the longest. I had numerous referrals to him. He's just a great doctor.
I was referred to Dr. Conti by my dermatologist, Dr. Tanghetti, and he saw this big vein in my left leg, which I've had for years. It was huge. It was ugly. I couldn't wear shorts, and it became more and more just progressively worse. I saw Dr. Conti and then proceeded to have the procedure done, which was just painless. There was no pain whatsoever. And it was, I think within maybe an hour, the whole procedure was accomplished. I think the most difficulty I had with everything was putting on the pantyhose, which are real tight, but they're very comfortable and necessary. And I went home, and I didn't even know I'd had it done. I had no pain, no after effects, and now I wear shorts. It really, really was necessary for me, and I'm very glad I had it done, and I would do it over again. Everyone at the office was more than helpful, and I had no problems with anybody. They were very courteous. Everybody, all my questions were answered. There was no problem at all with this procedure. I really recommend this for everybody.
Hi, I'm 42 years old. The symptoms I was having was leg pain, cramps, pressure, cold feet, restless at night. So I asked my doctor, and he says, well, hey, I've got somebody you can see, Dr. Conti. When I came and saw Dr. Conti, he suggested a procedure that was done, and he says it's an outpatient procedure. It's local anesthesia, didn't have to be knocked out for it. When I did have it, it was very pleasant. I walked in, I was awake the whole time. I had both legs done at the same time. He said I might be in pain for a couple, 3 days or whatever. I ended up going to work the following day. The symptoms I was having before, being the tingling, the pain, just the throbbing, the cold feet, night and day. Night and day. I can't tell you how much better I feel, how my legs feel. The staff being Pam and Janet, those two were just phenomenal. You talk to them on the phone, they explain things to you, they communicate well with you. Any problems, please give me a call. They were really supportive. They helped me out. The paperwork, there's just a ton of things to do. They took the headache out of it. They were just fantastic. Let me tell you about the surgical team. Dr. Conti and Joe, the ultrasound technician, we really did communicate really well, and their experience, their professionalism was fantastic. Through the procedure, they explained things to me, and not only explained to me, as I was having the procedure done, the ultrasound was going, I could look over and see exactly what is being done and how they're doing it. If I was to do it again, I would not do anything different. This has just been an absolutely fantastic experience. Minimal pain, minimal discomfort, all around A1.
I've had vein problems for over 20 years in both legs, very bad. Discomfort, swelling, even loss of work time because of it. I was visiting my dermatologist one day and I showed him my legs and I said, do you have any suggestions? And he gave me the name right off the top of Dr. Sebastian Conti. So what I did is I brought up his information on the internet, called, made an appointment, came in, no wait time, had a real thorough examination, very comfortable, told me that I would even loss of work time because I had the first leg done, put it this way, I did it on my day off and I could have gone to work the next day. And I was so pleased after like the first week noticing a change, very little discomfort, no pain. And I asked if I could have the second leg done real soon and I had done like 3 weeks later and I was very glad I did. I've never been happier. I sleep better, I walk better, attitude, everything. And they explained everything to me before it was done. As it was being done, walked me through it, took care of me. Any questions I had answered, made appointments, took care of my insurance. I mean, all I had to do was show up. And so what I do is I show all my friends my legs. Came in, no wait time. I would suggest that anybody has varicose veins or problems with your veins to definitely consider having this done. I would do it again in a heartbeat and I would look into it. All you have to do is either make a phone call, look them up on the internet, but I would just call.